Find the magnitude and direction of magnetic field at P. This is the figure given. So we term it, this is A, side B, side C, side D, side E, side F. So at this point the current is flowing this way. It means current here, it will flow like this, like this, like this, and like this. Okay, it means at this point this wire segment will produce a magnetic field at this point, this will produce a magnetic field at this point, this wire segment will produce magnetic field at this point, that is center, this also, this also. It means we have to take the vector sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First let us find out for this segment. See this segment, it is like this. This is A, this is B, and this is P. When we join this portion and this portion, that is we are joining this portion and this portion, since this portion is equal to D, each side is D. Hexagon, it is an hexagon. For hexagon this will be 60 degree. This will be 60 degree for a side. So if we bifurcate, this will be 30 degree and this will be 30 degree. This is the perpendicular distance, or we can call it as A. This is X side of this, this is Y side of this. With this point we join this, and this is 90 degree. This portion is 30 because it is total is 60. So when bifurcated, this will be half will be 60, this is 90, and this will be 60 degree, and this will be 60 degree, this is 90 degree. So now we got this figure. It means here this one is phi 1 and this one is phi 2. Therefore phi 1 is equal to phi 2 is equal to 30 degree for lines, there is wire segment AB, and of course this will be also same in magnitude, and this will be also same in magnitude, and this will be also same in magnitude, and this will be also same. So if you are finding out the magnitude produced by this segment at this point P, and this one at P, this one at P, all will be same. Only thing, direction we have to check out. So if you are finding out this is for this segment, then for this segment, this segment, this segment, the magnitude will be same, but which will differ? The direction. Due to this may differ. So we will make the vector to find out the total magnetic field at P due to this hexagon. We will find out the vectorial sum of the all magnetic field produced by the 6 segments. So phi 1 is equal to phi 2 is equal to 0, because this is the this is a point, this we consider as Q point, this is Q, and this is the perpendicular distance, this is the perpendicular distance, and this is 30 degree, and this is also 30 degree, and this is the line AB. This point joining one side and another side one side, and the angle between the reference line and one side is 30, and that is phi 1, phi 2 is equal to 30 degree. And magnetic field, what about magnetic field? B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into current flowing through this one into A into sine phi 1 plus sine phi 2. This formula already we have derived it already. Sine phi 1 is equal to 30, sine phi 2, it means this is equal to sine 30 plus sine 30, 2 into sine, 2 into sine of 30 is equal to B into mu naught by 4 pi. The problem comes with the IA only. So we have to find out this distance. This is this distance, which is E. As it is now, we can find out if this is D, this will be, what is this distance? This distance will be d divided by half of d, that is this distance, and this distance will be d by 2. So we got it now. What is from this triangle? From this triangle, tan 60. Tan of 60. Tan of 60 means we see tan of 60. This is opposite side divided by base. That is tan 60 is equal to A divided by 2 by 2, or A is equal to tan 60 into d by 2. This is what is the value of tan 60. Let us find out the value of tan 60. 60, how we are going to find out? 60 means this will be 30, root 3 will come, hypotenuse will be 2, this is 1. This tan 60 means root 3 by 1 is equal to root 3. So A is equal to root 3 d by 2. Therefore A is equal to A root 3 by 2. We can calculate this is A is equal to root 3 into d divided by 2. So this and this we can cancel it. This and this will 2 and this will get cancelled. What about sin 30? Sin 30 also we can easily find out. Sin 30 means find out cos 30. That is equal to sin. If we want sin 30, we will go for cos of 60. Here 60 is available. Cos of 60 is equal to half. Or let us draw it. This is 30 root 3. This is 2 1. So sin 60 is equal to half. So this is equal to pi by 2 2. Okay, into okay, this is 2, this we got it cancelled. So B, we say B1 for this. B1 is equal to how much is come? B1 is equal to mu naught I. This and this two, this get cancelled. Sin side is equal to half. So is equal to B1 is equal to this sin of 30 is equal to half, 1 by 2. So we will write it here. Sin of 30 is equal to 1 by 2 into pi into the, I'm calculating and changing the calculation. B1, the magnitude of B1 is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi into, there one more term is the root 3. What about the direction? Direction, see current is flowing like this. So this is a conductor, current is flowing this direction, thumb in this direction, we grip it. It means inside, this side, inside is above this conductor is inside, getting inside, and below this it will come out. It means here it is, the magnetic field like this, and here the magnetic field like this. We are interested to find out this side. It means the magnetic field is into the plane of the paper, plane of the board, and B2 will be also, because this also same like this. So B2 only we have to find out. B2 magnitude is same. B2 is equal to magnitude of B2 is equal to magnitude of B1, and magnitude of B3 is equal to magnitude of B1. Magnitude of B4 is equal to magnitude of B5 is equal to magnitude of B1, because all are similar triangles, all are same triangles, not similar. Okay, all are same triangles. It means we can see the magnitude is equal to, magnitude part is this one for all. The direction for this one here. So this is the conductor, we grip it, so inside it is going here. So this portion, it will be like this. For this also, when we grip, this portion is like this. For this portion, when we grip like this, thumb in the direction of current, it will be like this. For this portion, when we grip, it is going, the finger is going inside. Inside, this is also inside. We are not, this will be, obviously this will be like this. For this also, obviously same. It means all the magnetic field produced by this segment, this, every segment is into the plane of the board at point P. So we need not to worry about it. Therefore, B net with vector is equal to B1 vector plus B2 vector plus B3 vector up to B6 vector, or magnitude of B is equal to 6 times of B1. Why? Because this also produce same magnitude, this is 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times of B1, magnitude of net magnetic field is equal to 6 times of B1. B1, the magnitude is mu naught I divided by 2 pi into d into root 3. So this becomes 3. Since 3 can be taken as root 3 into root 3, when divided by 1 root 3, this get cancels. Therefore, magnitude of net magnitude. So this is equal to root 3 mu naught I divided by pi into d. This is the net magnitude, and if we can write in net magnetic field in vector form is equal to magnitude of this mu naught I divided by pi d, and all the magnetic field are getting inside. It means net magnetic field, we can add up all these things. This is inside. Find magnitude and direction of magnetic field at P, where P is the center point of this rectangle. We'll redraw this rectangle, that is, of course, not exactly to the size. We'll redraw it. This is the point, and this is the point. This is the point. This we've drawn it. This is the center point P. And if you keep this side as alpha, this side will be beta alpha, and this side same, because the same triangle, this will be alpha and this will be beta. Okay, what about this side? By geometry, this side and this angle will be same. So this is alpha, and this angle and this angle and this angle will be same, beta, alpha and beta, and this angle and this angle will be same, this is beta, and this angle, this angle and this will be same, alpha. And what about this place? This is alpha, means this will be alpha, this will be beta, because this angle will be same angle, and this will be beta and this will be alpha. Now this is E, B, C, D. We'll take this segment of wire AB. So then this is the point P. We can draw it like this. This is A. B, we need the perpendicular distance, which is E. What is this perpendicular distance? This distance is equal to, if this is 6D, half of this distance, which is equal to 3D, because this will be also 3D. And what about if this is half of this distance? Half of A distance is 4D, and this will be 4D. And what this will be? This will be 5D, and this is alpha. Now call this one, if this is alpha, this is beta. Okay, now we want to find out what is this. We want this one. This is for this sector. This is phi 1, we take it. We can take it as phi 2. If this may be phi 1 or this may be phi 2, this is the perpendicular distance. We need from this reference angle, this is phi 1, and this is phi 2. So the equation is the magnetic field is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into current flowing into E into sine of phi 1 plus sine of phi 2. This is the equation, sine of phi 1. What is phi 1? Phi 1 is equal to this angle, beta, phi 1 and phi 2. Therefore, since phi 1 is equal to phi 2 is equal to beta, sine of phi 1 is equal to sine of phi 2 is equal to sine of beta. Sine of beta is equal to, what is sine of beta? Sine of beta is equal to 4 by 5. See from here beta, if you see beta, this is beta, if you sine of or beta, beta and beta. Sine of beta from here, this is 90 degree. Beta is sine of, this is sine of beta. Sine of beta means for this is the angle opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite is equal to 4D and the hypotenuse is equal to, opposite is 4D, same 4D here. Hypotenuse is equal to 5D is equal to 4D by 5D is equal to 4 by 5, and this is, so sine of beta. So here we can write this is also equal to B1. This is sector 1 and this is 3 because both are similar. This and this, this and these are similar. So B1 is equal to B3, which is in magnitude, is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I. What is A here? Here A is equal to perpendicular distance, this distance. A is equal to this distance. If this is, what is this distance? A is equal to 3D because this distance, we want this distance, and this is 3D into A, 3D into sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2 is equal to twice of sine of beta plus sine of beta twice of sine of beta. So B1 is equal to B3 in magnitude. This is not beta, B is equal to 4 pi mu naught by 4 pi mu naught by 4 pi into I divided by 3D into 2 into sine of beta. Sine of beta is equal to 4 by 5. 4 by 5. This and this gets cancelled. Mu naught I, this and this cancels, into this 2 remains here, 3 into 15 into pi d. So we can write what is the value of B, magnitude of B1. B1 into or B3, B1 or B3, because both are both the segment. This is segment 3. This way, this is equal to 2 by 15 into mu naught I divided by pi into d. This is, we have found out the magnitude for this region and this region, this and this. Now we have to find out this and this, both are same. If you find out this one, this way the magnitude of this portion is equal to magnitude of that portion. Now let us see this portion. This is segment 2. This is 1, 2, 3 and 4. And B2 is equal to, and you know B2 in magnitude is equal to B4. And this cannot be equal because it is a rectangle. So we can draw the triangle for this one. Segment of wire AD. So we can write like this. This is the point P. This is A. This is D. This is the perpendicular distance. And this is phi 2. This is phi 1. And this is A. And this is point Q. Perpendicular distance with the wire. PQ is the perpendicular to wire AD, and A is the perpendicular distance of this point P with respect to wire as per this one. What is A? This portion is A and this is A. This is A. What is this? Is 4D means this will be 4D. So A is equal to 4D. We find out A, mu naught by phi I as it is available here. I and sine of phi 1. What is phi 1? Phi 1 is this angle. alpha. This is alpha and this is alpha. What is sign of alpha? If this is alpha, this is alpha and this is alpha, both are same. Alpha, sign of alpha is equal to, this is what? This portion is total 6, it means half is 3D. Sin of alpha is equal to, and this of course, obviously, alpha we can find out here also, sin of alpha is equal to this by this. From here, sin of alpha is 4 base divided by hypotenuse. This is equal to 4 by 5. And sin of alpha is equal to 4D by 3D, and phi 1 is equal to phi 2 is equal to alpha, because this is phi 1. For this sector, this is phi 1, this is phi 2, phi 1, phi 2. We got everything. So now this is B in magnitude mu naught by 4 pi into I. What about A? A is equal to 4 times of D into sin phi 1 plus sin phi 2. Sin phi 1 is equal to phi 2 is equal to alpha. That is sin alpha plus sin alpha is equal to twice of sin alpha. Sin alpha plus sin alpha, because phi 1 is equal to alpha. Sin of alpha. Phi 2 is equal to alpha. Sin alpha plus sin alpha twice of sin alpha, and sin alpha is equal to 4 by, sorry, this will be 4 by 5. It should be sin alpha. Let us confirm. Sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5. This is alpha is equal to 3 by 5. Because from here, sin of this divided by this. Okay, 3 by 5 is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I divided by 4D into 2 into sin of alpha is equal to 3 by 5. So this is 20 into 5. This is equal to twice. It's equal to mu naught I, let us write, into pi into D. This pi into D. And this is equal to, this 3 is left out here, into 3. What is this? 8 into 5, 40. So this is the value of B, second segment, and also equal to, this is second, third and fourth. This is also equal to B4. So B1 is equal to B3 and B2 is equal to B4 and B. Therefore we can write B2 is equal to B4 in magnitude is equal to 3 by 40 into mu naught I by pi into D. This is B2 and B3. Now we have to find out the direction. Direction means the current is flowing here. So it will flow like this, it will flow like this, it will flow like this. For this portion and this portion, the magnetic field at this point, we will hold it in the direction of current and curl it. It means here it is going inside for this inside. And what about this one? Here we'll curl it, here also inside. Because we have to take for P, it means we have to say this side of the conductor. For this conductor, current is flowing this way. So we will see here also this way. You should be try better. For this one, conductors like this, we have to hold this. It means it is for this side of the conductor. P is in the here, so inside is going into. It means here also into. It means the magnetic field, all the sides are into. So we have to find out the net magnetic field. What about the net? See now here, the magnetic field, magnitude of magnetic field produced by this line, and this line is equal to B1 and B3, both are same, and by this line and by this line with respect to center, both are same. It means magnitude, in magnitude, both are same. 3 by 40, 2 by 15, one is 2 by 15, mu naught I by 5D, another is 3 by 40, mu naught by ID. So we have to remember this one. Now, what is the net magnetic field? Net magnetic field is B1 plus B2. We have to add it in vector. Oh, so net magnetic field is equal to B net. Say all are going inside, we can write in vector. This is B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4. That is vector addition because all has got next. Therefore, we can write B net. All are into this also into the plane, into this also into the plane. It means all are into the plane of the board. So we can write it. B net is equal to, we'll write the magnitude. What is B1? B1 is equal to 2 by 15. B1 is equal to 2 by 15. 2 by 15 into, we'll take mu naught ID out. B1 plus 2 by 15 into mu naught I by pi d. This is B1 and B3. B1 and B3 both are same. B1 2 by 15 mu naught I by d into mu naught into I by d. Okay. And what about B2? B2 is equal to 3 by 40 as we have find out. 3 by 40 into mu naught I by pi d, because B2 is equal to B4, which is equal to 3 by 40 mu naught I divided pi d. Just now we have calculated 3 by 40 plus 3 by 40, or we can take LCM, this portion, 15 into 40. 15 into 40, it means this is 40 into 2, 80. This is 15 into 3, 15 into 3, 45, plus this is 40 into 80. This is 45 into mu naught I by pi d. So this is equal to 80. We can take 2 outside. 2 if you are taking, this will be 80 plus 45, 5, 12. Because we have taken 2 into 125 divided by 15 into 40 into mu naught I by pi d, and the direction in this way, this can be written as B net. So how this has become 20 and 15, this will become 3, 2, 5, 2, 5. So this is become 25 by 60 is equal to 25 by 60, 5 by 12. So this is B net. In magnitude rate 5 by 12 mu naught I divided by pi d, and net direction is inward. This indicates inward.